Hindi ako mapapahiya sa inyo sa cake na to. Ang sarap! Tara, let's eat! So apparently, may half saints na rin sa BGC. I tried itong kimchi gyoza nila. Interesting. Yung laman niya is pork, kimchi, and scallions. Masarap naman, maanghang and maasim-asim. The 4-herb salad, nawin lang ako ng slight guys kasi mahal siya, 450 pesos. Mukha lang boring yung itsura niya but to be fair, masarap naman yan, sweet and sour. I also got the blackout bowl kasi na-excite ako na may diced wagyu daw. It's mixed with the black rice and shiitake mushrooms and parang may seaweed din ata, I think. Pero yung nagdadala talaga ng flavor for me is yung calamansi paste, yung kulay green na yan. It's salty, sour, and a bit spicy din. Hindi pwedeng hindi ako order ng crema de fruta. One of my favorite cakes ever. Tastes as good as it looks, promise. Yung pinaka-outer layer niyan is gelatin made of coconut water, then iba-ibang fruit slices sa loob. Yung cake mismo is chiffon in between layers of yema, custard. Overall, ang sarap. Itong meresibo ko, na-try ko na to before, but parang mas masarap siya now. The coconut and pili flavors go so well together. Creamy, slightly sweet, and ang sarap nung young coconut, guys. 10 out of 10 would recommend this. Saan pa ba may masarap na cake? Comment nyo po, please. Tara, let's eat!